Hi guys, it's Friday and it's my day off from work, and yeah, I don't want to put hairspray anymore, so I just put this hair band, whatever you call this, hair whatever. I call it hair band. So my son wants to go to Dollar General, so we're gonna go there, but first I'm going to my auction place. I'm gonna pick him up.
He goes leaking oil.
What do you mean? So early morning we're here, and this is what he got. Yes, all his except for the paper towel, tissue paper. So we're going to Amish store